So seems like yesterday the target at 1.08 was actually hit. You can see down here. We were expecting this can actually go down. So, you know, it was a good thing that we are looking at some kind of supports, right? It was good. The target up to the upside still stands at 2.3. And we still have a little bit move towards the upside where we have to, you know, break it up here. But it does look good. It's still, there is no problems yet in paradise. So we're going to see what's happening right now. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Before we start, as always, if you're interested in altcoins, want to see what's going up, what's going down, what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's interesting and not, you know, patterns, check out the Patreon link down below. That said, we haven't moved. It's still going sideways, like last days, like still going sideways. I know it's a little bit moved towards up, but we are still at the same level that we were at like the last 7 days or something like that. It is going slow, but there is no problems in paradise. There is no problem in paradise. It is climbing. You can see here the trend line is as well holding very nicely. This is some kind of trend line down here. How are we gonna draw it? Like this, something like here maybe. Let's just remove the moving averages for a second, and you can see the trend line is definitely holding. Even with this move towards the downside, the trend line is holding. It's been a nice trend line towards the upside. Right now broke, it went back down again, but as long as we hold it, it's gonna be working out in our favor. We are still not overly bullish yet. We're still just going sideways on XRP. Bitcoin right down minus 0.5%, and you know, XRP minus down minus 4%, but that doesn't matter that much. That doesn't matter that much because if you look at a bigger picture, if you look at a bigger picture, like if you have a little bit patience, you'll see that this upper trend line is still not getting hit, and this both of these bottom support lines are not even close to being hit. Basically, what we are doing right now is just like some kind of sideways move, some sideways trading and stuff like that. And this can go for a long time, guys. This can go for a long time before we actually break out. But you know, what we are looking for is, you know, some sign that is gonna break out soon. But unfortunately, that's not coming just yet. That's not coming just yet. The fact that we are above the 50 moving average, this yellow line, and we are going back for the, you know, retest on that line, that this can actually mean you know, a positive move, because we are trying, you know, the price is always trying to go back test the supports, and this 50 moving average was a really tough support to break. You can see here how, you know, we used a long time to break it on the downside, and right now we used a long time to break it back on the upside. So right now it's only normal to come back down and retest that to see like, was that a legit support or not. Now if you can confirm that you know, this support holding, this can take an entire day. This can take entire day. If you can just confirm that this support up here is holding, and we bounce, you know, we close above it, you know, we bounce above it tomorrow and stuff like that, you know, this might actually be very good good indication of bullishness for XRP. So the next move that would make us bullish right now that we have gone down to the support, the next move is not going all the way up here. Now the next move that's going to make you bullish is above this line up here. That's 116. Let's use another line. Let's put it up here, something like this, and let's make it one. This is the line. This is the line. And if you can get above this line, this is at exactly 116. If you can get back above the 116 from over here, that means you got a high, and then we got a higher high. So we got a, you know, we are moving towards the upside. This 116 is gonna be an indication of bullishness. So if you can do another move towards the upside and get above this level, that's gonna be the next move that's you know, gonna tell us that we are a little bit bullish. Unfortunately, in the long run, we are still going slowly in this, you know, rising channel. And you know, the rising channels can take you know, any kind of channels can take a while, but we are indeed you know, climbing on the moving averages and riding the moving averages. So we're gonna see right now how this is gonna play out, these moving averages, if you're gonna, you know, if you're gonna get pushed by with the moving average towards the upside or not. But right now, the first move that I'm looking for right now is this move up here that's gonna go above 116, and I think that's like the best that you can ask for, like above 116. Worst thing you can ask for is closing down here, but even that, it's not bad. The bad thing is if we tomorrow as well stay below down here. So I don't want to stay down here for too long. Of course, best case scenario is just getting right back up again and you know, climbing above 116, but you know, staying down here can be a bad thing. Of course, Of course, as you can see, this 100 moving average is a legit support, and we don't want to break that under any circumstances on if we start going down. But we also got 200 moving average right here and 20 moving average, so there is some support here at around $1, give or take. This goes from $1 to $1.02. Also pretty decent support down here as well. So we are in some kind of trading range. Not much is happening. We did indeed broke certain levels of resistance, but right now retesting those levels, and you know, the best case scenario is above 116 until tomorrow. So do come back tomorrow and check out, you know, what XRP is doing tomorrow, and check out the Patreon link down below. But I think this can work out, but we have to be patient. See you around, guys. Bye bye.